Yo, what's up, everyone, and welcome back to the investments. What a day today! Absolutely went gangbusters. So, pretty much on today's video, we're going to look at XRP, where I think price is going in the short term, looking at mostly conservative price targets. We'll look at some higher up price targets that it could possibly hit. Um, we'll also look maybe at Bitcoin. Obviously, it's breaking higher, and maybe look at a few other altcoins and past trades. So looking here at XRP, we can see that we do have this triangle pattern. Go down to the weekly here, we will see that um, pretty much acted at like this 55 cent um, line here has acted as both support and resistance. We were able to break through today based on the news that the U.S. judge said that XRP is not a security, which is very good to see. Brought up the whole market, but as of right now, it would be nice to see if we could break this trend line of resistance. Um, Price could break that trend line of resistance to move up higher. Obviously, we're now above this key area of resistance, which would act as support if price decided to fall back down and bounce off. As of right now, I know that Coinbase, Bitstamp, and Kraken have relisted XRP, which is nice to see, which will bring more investors into the space and allow more people to buy the coin. But in terms of price targets, if we're able to break this trend line, obviously looking at the highs here at $1.56 and this high at the wick around $3.32 would be um, the main targets. The conservative targets, in my opinion. Obviously, if we're looking more at kind of moon targets in a sense, we would be looking at extensions or Fibonacci extension levels. So, like the 1.618 Fibonacci extension at $5.40, and then if it gets really bullish, we would look at the 3.618 Fibonacci extension level, which is just a tad bit over $12. And that's based off what I saw someone comparing Bitcoin in the last cycle when we saw that huge run up and it created that double top. The person that was showing that, unfortunately, can't remember who it was, but they were showing it kind of lines up similar to what XRP is doing right now. But in terms of conservative price targets, $1.56 and $3.32 would be what you should look out for. The other altcoin that we'll look at quickly is Solana. Um, as we can see, we have this key supply zone at $32. And I think this one is from this area, like this sell off came from the FTX collapse. What I like about Solana right now is we are retesting this area of resistance rather. And I think if we can break $26.26 and with volume, possibly even above these wicks here at $27, we should be able to see a move up to $32.65. Quick look at Bitcoin here. We can see we're in that range still. Obviously, it looked like we were breaking above the range high. Prices unfortunately come back into the range. But as long as like we can stay above 29.5 and 29.9K should be fine. Like I said, 32.4K is the key area to break because that is the top of the supply zone. At that point, we should rally, probably looking at 34, 35K in the short term. Finally, we'll look at past trades. If you follow me on Twitter, you know we caught Compound pretty simple trade here. Falling wedge into demand zone, and then price broke out, had some volatility, and eventually got to, well, I got all the way to 74. I sold at $72, but still a decent trade overall. And if you're in this one, which is Aave, um, reason I like this trade, or that I'm still in, is you had support here, support here, support here. So it's holding that trend line support. Then we had, if I go down to the 4 hour, you'll see that we had this triangle or wedge pattern. Eventually broke out, took entry here, volatility, uh, prices moving higher, breakout. Important to watch is almost $81. And if we look at the higher time frame, the reason I also like the setup is we could see price come as high as $94 into this range high where we've seen multiple touches of 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, which would be where I'd expect price to go. But with that said, I think that's gonna end the video. Good news to see XRP not be security, brought the market up. With that said, I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace.